Let's take a look at this example. We have ones in cells 1 and 3 and don't care in cell number 0. As we said before, we will use don't care anytime we will need this. But let's say in this example, we have two highs, and these two highs can create one group. Don't care is not needed. I don't need extra group over here. That's why I'm going to stay only with this one and simply ignore don't care. This group is placed in 2 rows. At the side of these 2 rows, I have complements. We said that anytime we have complements at the side of 2 rows or 2 columns, we are going to ignore them. And we'll copy simply down everything, whatever is at the top of this column. So your answer, I'm supposed to write X, your answer is equal A. If you implement this, this is nothing else, just the point at the diagram labeled A. These are the solutions to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have 1 in cell number 0. And I have don't cares in cell 1 and 3. Anytime we have 2 variables came up, we're supposed to make the groups of 1, 2, or 4. If bigger group we are going to create, less variables we are going to have in our answer. So if I'm going to concentrate only on this one, I'm going to have 2 variables. I'm going to have B naught, A naught. But if I'm going to combine this one with this don't care, take a look what I'm going to have. On the left side of this row, I'm going to have B naught. B naught. At the top of these 2 columns, I have complements. Okay, I'm going to ignore them. That's why the answer, Boolean expression, is B naught. If you want to implement it, this is nothing else, just the inverter. With input B, and this is your output. These are the solutions to my problem.